Good day everyone. I am Jericho Hapin, a BSED Math 3 student. Today, I will be presenting our topic in ED 304 entitled The Teachers as a Vital Link in the Barangay. So, this presentation highlights how teachers extend their roles beyond classroom instruction and actively contribute to community development, cultural preservations, and local leadership. And after this lesson, learners are expected to first explain the concept of the teachers as vital link in the barangay. Second, demonstrate practical ways teachers collaborate with community leaders and stakeholders. And lastly, appreciate the importance of active teachers' participations in community, cultural, and local development activities. So before we proceed, it is important to remember that education does not happen in isolations. Learning is influenced not only by what happens inside the classroom, but also by the environment where learners live. So in the Philippines context, the barangay serves as the teacher's immediate community. Because of this, close connections, teachers are expected to build relationships, participate in local activities, and contribute to community development. So in these presentations, we will explain how teachers effectively serve as bridges between the school and the barangay. In this lesson, we will explore the key roles of teachers as vital links in the barangay. Specifically, we will discuss first the barangay as the teacher's immediate community, the teachers as community leader, participations in community cultural activities, teachers' involvement in local program, building strong school barangay partnership, and lastly, the benefits of teacher barangay collaboration. And let us now begin with the first rule. So, first is the barangay as the teacher's immediate community. So, the community is the primary social environment of students. It strongly influences their values, behaviors, attitudes, and opportunities in life because students spend large portions of their time in the community. And teachers must understand the context in which their learners live in. When teachers were aware of community realities, they can design more responsive and meaningful learning experience. So therefore, teachers must first understand community needs and issues, build relationship with community leaders, and support programs that benefits learners. So by doing this, teachers become more effective of learning and development. Next is the teachers as community leaders. So teachers are widely respected professionals in the community. Because of this, they often serve as informal leaders in the barangay. So their leadership roles may include serving as resource persons in community meetings, facilitating educational programs, advocating for children's welfare, organizing literacy and outreach program, and also partnering with local officials and stakeholders. For example, a teachers may help organize a community reading program to improve literacy among out-of-school youth or struggling readers. So through these leadership roles, teachers help promote educational not only within the school but throughout the community. Next is participations in community cultural activities. Another important role of teachers is participating in community cultural activities. So this helps preserve local cultures and strengthen community spirit through active involvement. So these activities also help connect school learning with real-life experience. So teachers may participate by coaching students for cultural presentation, serving as coordinators in community events, integrating local culture in classroom lessons, and also supporting community celebrations and festivals. When teachers promote cultural awareness, they help learners develop pride in their heritage while also strengthening school community relationship. Next is teachers' involvement in local programs. So teachers also collaborate with local groups to support important community services such as health, welfare, and social development. So they often work with barangay officials in implementing programs like School improvement initiatives, child protection programs, disaster preparedness and activities, and also health and nutrition campaigns. Teachers contribute significantly by first is providing data about learners, mobilizing parents and volunteers, monitoring students' welfare, and also giving professional advice. So because of this, teachers regularly interact with learners and families. So their input is valuable in making local programs more effective and responsive. Next is building strong school barangay partnerships. So strong school barangay partnerships are built on several key principles. So these include effective communication, mutual respect, shared responsibility, and active community participation. So teachers can strengthen partnership by first is attending community meetings when invited, of course. Then maintaining open communications with official, encouraging parent involvement, initiating community-based projects, and also practicing culturally responsive teaching. So, when trust and cooperations are present, both the schools and barangays can work more effective towards supporting learners. So, next is benefits of teachers barangay collaboration. So, teacher and barangay collaboration provides many benefits for student, for teachers, and for the community. So, for students, they develop a better understanding of their social context and receive stronger support from both school and family. For teachers, they gain broader awareness of and learners' lives and build stronger cooperations with families and community leaders. And for the community, there is more informed participations in education and a shared responsibility for learner development. So overall, collaboration creates a more supportive and responsive learning environment. So in conclusions, the teachers is not only a classroom instructor but also a vital link between the schools and the barangay. So, by actively participating in community leadership, cultural activities, and local programs, teachers may help create environments where learners can truly succeed. So, let us always remember that strong communities help build strong schools and committed, uh, committed teachers help connect these two. So thank you for watching. Once again, I am Jericho Hapin.